Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today lecture, we have to discuss simple interest and compound interest difference. Basically, this formula we have done last time. I is equals to PRT divided by 100. Simple interest. And compound interest formula basic is here. I'm going to show you. And that is A is equals to P times 2, 1 plus R over 100 to power T. Okay, now today I will give a difference. This A stand for total amount. Make sure total amount. Okay, whereas this is not total amount. This is called interest. Interest means profit. So in simple interest, whenever we need a total amount, if I need, so A is equal to P plus I use this formula. But in this formula, I have a total amount, but I need some time interest. So how to find interest? I use the same formula, A equal P plus I, but A we know, P we know, I we don't know. Then I bring P on the other end, so A minus P. It means I will make I subject from here, I subject from here. So this formula will help us to get the answer. So I believe you got some idea. And now I'm going to give some examples. Let's say you're not spent, sorry, you invested $1,000 and you invest $1,000 for compound even, like both. Simple is 1,000 and compound 1,000. Inshallah, you will find the difference. And let's say rate of interest is 10% per annum and rate of 10% per annum for both. And time for, let's say, three years and time for 3 years. So now you can ask me, sir, what is the difference then? This everything is same, okay? But you'll see that when I will find the answer final, so there is a difference will come, okay? Okay, let's start. Here I'm looking for I. I means interest. I'm looking for A. A means total amount, net amount. Okay, here I'm looking for A, and then I'm looking for I. So let's see how we can find both values. So first of all, my students, what I'm going to do, I'm putting this 1,000 in the place of P. So I is equals to 1,000 times 2. R value is 10, T value is 3. So I keep it here 10 into 3 and divided by 100. And you will see this 0 cancel with that, 0 cancel with that, and 3 times 200, the 300 profit. So $300 is your profit. And a profit, I got it, but I need a A. A stand for net amount. And net amount means I just give you a basic idea. For example, I just give idea that you spend the money in the bank, and when you went after 3 years, you say, sir, give me my money. So if they will give you 300 only, you will not agree with them. No, sir, this is the profit. Where is my money? My own money. Your own money is that. So formula A is equals to P plus I. P is called your own money, and 300, you got a profit on it. So total money you will get after 3 years, $1,300. But let's see what happened in compound interest. Compound interest formula, we have A is equals to P times 2, 1 plus R over 100 to power T. Okay, so get ready, and there's a very interesting difference I'm going to explain. So have a look here carefully. Now, first of all, I plug in the values. The investment is $1,000. Rate of interest is 10 time for 3 years. And I'm just typing the value in my calculator. 1 plus 10 divided by 100 and power 3. My answer is coming directly $1,331. Now we ask that, sir, this is money difference there. Yes, difference is there. You know how difference is there? I'll just tell you. Reason is very clear. Okay, first of all, I tell you what this is a total money you got. I said before, the simple interest formula give you your profit only by default, and manually we found out the net amount. Whereas compound interest formula give you your total amount, and for the interest you have to do some manual working. So I can say that as A is equal to P plus I, and P will go on the other end. So I is equals to P, A minus P. So A minus P, it means from your total amount, which is 1,331, subtract 1,000. So your profit you got earned $331. So is the difference is there around 331 and 300? Yes, the difference is there. Now you ask why difference came. You spend the same money, you given them the same money to bank. So why difference came? So I just tell you why difference came. So get ready to understand the difference. What is difference between both techniques? This is called linear. This is called non-linear. What is called linear and non-linear, sir? Linear is a straight line, but non-linear is a curve. Okay, a curve, it means like that. And I give you a more difference. This is not understandable. You will not understand what is linear and non-linear. I just tell you, this is a simple is a linear, and compound is a non-linear. Example, first year, let's say, I just move on here. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. Okay. So, for example, I just give you idea that first year you got a profit. You got a profit of 10%. So the profit of 10% is coming here. For example, you spend for 3 years. Okay, students. So I will break it. Break up means I break into 3 parts. So let's say you spend $1,000 for 10% profit and for 3 years. Let's find for first year. So 10% of 1,000. So let's find 10 by 100 into 1,000. So 00 cancel. You got, 10,000, not 1,000, 10,000. 10,000? Let me check. No, 1,000. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Yeah. So you got $100 profit in the first year. So first year you got $100 profit. Second year you got again $100 profit. Third year you got again $100 profit. And total profit of 3 years, is becoming 100 plus 100 plus 100. It becomes 300. I believe all of you understanding. That is why you see in simple interest formula, when I plug in, I got 300 profit. And every person agree with me. Yes, sir, true, sir. But what happens in compound interest? It's not the same. Actually, in compound interest, what happened? 10% of 1,000 is becoming what? Let's see. It becomes 10 out of 100 times 2,000. 2 zeros cancel. I got first year profit is 100. Is the first year profit. But for second year, not that. Second year, your profit, your money, they will add. I repeat, in simple interest, they will not add your money in profit. They will find each year your same ratio and they add them. But here they will add 1,000 your profit, like your money. Look at here. Your money is $1,000. You're given for 10% interest. So what happens, students? After first year, you got $100 more. So your profit $100 and your money is 1,000. If you add them, I got 1,100. Now they will add 10% of 1,100. I believe you got my point. And wait a minute, I will give you summary once again. So this 20 cancel. This time he will get a profit of 110. Whereas simple interest, he get a second year 100. But here second year he's getting 110. Okay, now again, this is second year. Again, now third year. Third year, what does add up? Again add. What adds, sir? His money after 1 year is 1,500 and new profit is 1100. So if you add this and this, so what happens? Let's see, 1100 plus 110. It become $1210. Now they find 10% of this, 10% of 1210, and that answer become 10 out of 100 into 1210. Zero cancel, zero cancel. You got a profit of 121 on third year. Whereas simple interest, you're getting each year you're getting 100, 100, 100 in simple interest. Whereas compound interest, your first year profit is 100, second year profit is 110, third year profit is 121. So it means and if I add, this is third year, this is a third year. So total profit, if I add all, so first year profit, you got a 100. Okay, I'm adding all, get ready. 100. Second year profit 110. Third year profit 121. And if I check it, it become $331 profit. And check it. What I get it here. Look at it. The compound profit is 331. So I believe you got a difference. I repeat again the difference. Topic what I'm discussing with you, every person, is what is different between compound interest and simple interest. And I am saying this is a linear function. Linear means what is the change? First year profit, second year profit, third year profit remains same. And I think students, straight line always they have one gradient, only one gradient. It means every year same profit, same profit, same profit. Whereas compound is not a straight line, it's a curve. And why is a curve? Because your first year profit is 10% become 100, and then they add 100 in your money, you become 1100, and they find 10% of 1100. Whereas here 10% of every year 10,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So no changing, and that is why. And you got a profit of second year is profit is 110, and this money will add in your previous amount will become what? 1210. And they find 10% of this, and you got 121 third year profit. So first year profit 100, second year profit 110, third year profit 121, and add all together become 331. So this is a difference. So I believe the point is very clear why there are difference between simple interest and compound interest. So after this, I will move on some examples. Yes, students, now we can start this one question of June 2010, 42 variant and question number 1. Okay, so first you try this question. In case of difficulty, I will help you, inshallah. So it contains many things: simple, compound. So you have to read it carefully. First you try, then I will do this question. Yes, student, I think you took a reasonable time. I'm starting now. All of you get ready. First question I want to discuss with you is here, A and B share 240 in a ratio this one. So two people, A and M share this money in this ratio. So recall the concept of ratio. What is method I taught you before? I taught you that best technique, write two titles, dollar title and ratio title. And total money which we have to divide is 240. Because I'm writing total money, so I must write in front of it total ratio. So 3 plus 5, I write 8. So very interesting part, total money, total ratio. Now I'm looking for A money, then A money, A for Alberto. I'm writing A. And A ratio is what? A ratio is 3. So I'm writing here 3 and cross multiply. Simple and clear. And I'm doing it. So 8 times to A equal to 3 times to 240. And this 8 will divide. When 8 will divide, my students, I will get what? So I will get from here simply 3 times to 240 and divided by 8. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, $90 proved, which I was looking for. So I hope so. This idea is very clear. So I think this idea is clear. So now I will go for next part. So next part is what? How to get the Maria's amount. There are two techniques. One technique, keep 5 in the place of this and you cross multiply. Second technique, from 240 subtract 90. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So Maria's amount we can find in no time. From $240 subtract 90 and I get $150. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this part is proved. So the first part is done, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And now I'm going for the next plan. The next plan is what here? He say A. Alberto invest his $90. Look at here. He got a money $90. His share. Now this share he's going to invest for 2 years for simple interest, and rate of interest is unknown. So he said at the end of 2 years, the amount he received 99. Very simple, clear idea. Did he say the amount, the money he has is $99? For your knowledge, I tell you one thing. So 90 is, look, first of all, you check what is our investment, how much investment. I write it here. P is called investment, $90. Time is 2 years. A rate of interest is small r. And interesting part, here's some student do confusion. What's they think this 99 is a profit. They by mistake they write 99 in the place of profit. This is a big blunder, big mistake. Actually, he said, did he use the word earn? You know, earn, whenever he uses the word earn 99, it means he got a profit. But he did not say earn. He got the money at the total money amount, total money he has 99. It means this is total money amount. So I'm writing A equal to 99. So A equal to P plus I, all of you know it. So 99 coming here and 90 is your investment, and profit is simple profit. If 90 goes there and subtract, I will get I equal to $9. So it means $9 is the profit he earns from here. Now I'm eligible to use formula. I is equal to P RT by 100. I have seen that many times students plug in this 99 directly in the place of I. It's the wrong way. So 9, I will plug in only 9. And P is 90, so I'm replacing 90 here. Rate of interest is small r. I'm plugging small r. Time is 2 years. I'm plugging 2 years. And by 100. So this 0 and this 0 will cancel out. And this 2 and this 2 is dividing and multiplying there. I get what? 90. And here I got 2 into 9, 18R. And 90 divided by 18, if I check it, it gives me 5%. So rate of interest is a 5%. I get it. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe the point is very clear. And this is a critical point because I know that some students do mistake in this part. Let's move on next. Okay, I will discuss all together doubts at the end when I finish the question. Okay, the 99 is a 6. This is very interesting. Let's start. He's saying $99 is 60% of the cost of holiday. Or you can say the total cost, no problem. Okay, so I repeat, 99 is 60%. I repeat my words. This 99 is actually equal to 66%, a short story. So I'm writing two titles, dollar sign and percentage. So as he said that $99 is equal to 60%, then find out original. Original means full. Full means 100. So I hope so. That is why cost of the holiday is total amount is called here. Total means is 100. So I believe the point is very clear, and now I'm going to do it. X time to 60, I'm writing here, X time to 60, and 100 time to 99, 100 time to 99, and now 60 will divide, and I'm doing directly. So 9900 divided by 60, and my answer is coming, the cost of holiday. The cost of holiday, which is total means total money, is 165. Short story, I repeat again what I am saying. Actually, total money was 165 and 60% of this is 99. I think you got the idea now. So if it means, if I just sake of your knowledge, just sake of knowledge, understanding, if I find 60% of 165, If I check in calculator, it will give you 99. And that is coming, just confirmation technique. Okay. So I believe this part is also clear. And this is a part number 2. This is a part number 2. Okay. Now I'm going for next part. Next part is that Maria invests $150 for 2 years, 4% compound. It's a piece of cake, simple piece of cake. You just know the formula and plug in, and that's it. Look at, I'm doing it now here. Part number 3rd, I'm doing it here. Not part number 3rd, sorry, the C part. Part number C. So what? Let me write data. Data writing is very important. Investment, how much, student? 150. So P is 150. Time is 2 years. So time is 2 years. 4% compound interest. Okay. And compound. So let's start. So A is equals to P1 plus R over 100 to power T. So I'm going to plug in, and he asking how much exact amount at the end of 2 years. So he did not ask the profit. No, he asking the net amount. So I think piece of cake for us. Simple. I will plug in and I will get my answer. No need to add anything. No need to subtract anything. And that is my answer. And let me type for you. And I am typing, and the power is 2. And answer is coming here with me, $162.24. And for your knowledge, amount always write 2 decimal places. So this is like a showing cents. This dollars, this cents. So that is why I will leave at 2 DP. So I hope so. The C part also clear. And now I'm going for D part. D part, what interest D part is here. Let me read. Maria, this is very interesting because here 3 marks question. This I part 3 marks only. Let's start. Maria continues to invest her money for 4% per compound interest. Okay. All right. And after 20 years, she has this much money. I repeat. It means, let's say Maria invests the money, okay, total money, and like same money, Maria's money, how much she has? 150. Okay, in the beginning. Anyway, so she is spent the money she invested for 20 years. Time is 20 years, and she got total money this much. This is not a question. It's given by him. Okay, fine. Let's go for next. Calculate exactly how much more this money. This money means this money. How much more as if she invests $150 for 20 years on 4% interest on simple. It means I'm finding P is $150, time is 20 years, R is 4%, and let's find I. I am finding I equal to PRT over 100, my students. I is becoming what? 150, rate is 4, time is 20 years, over 100. I'm finding I, and using calculator, this zero cancel. So 8 times 215. So he get a profit of $120 profit. How much money amount and end of 20 years? So how much money? P is investment, is on money, I is a profit. So if I check it both values, my students, his money is 150, he getting a profit of 120, so $270 he will get after 20 years. This is by simple interest, you know it. But this is compound interest. So he is asking us that how much more will get it. Okay, she will get it, Maria will get it by compound. Look at it, very simple, students. Compound interest, she getting 328.67. Simple interest, she getting 270. You remember? I look at here, I go back. This concept I deliver to you, and I showed you that when you go for simple interest, your money is always lesser. Simple interest, the money is always lesser as compared to the compound. Compound is always more. You see, compound is more. If someone asks me, so what is the difference between them? So 1131 minus 1300. It will give a difference. So compound money always more than simple interest. So because I said you, it's not a linear function. This is a non-linear function. His every year amount and profit is added as an amount. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil, how to write it here? So 328.67 minus 270. Oh, sorry, minus. Why I wrote equal? Minus 270. This is called difference. Difference. Okay. Difference. So if I subtract 328.67 minus 270, I get the difference is $58.67. So this is difference. He will get more as compared to the simple interest. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I hope so clear. Now, this is a very interesting last part of the question. He said, calculate this as a percentage of this. I repeat, many students confused in this idea. I will do in question two ways. Okay, I show you both ways. What way you like, you can choose. Okay, this is a third part, D2 part. Sorry, I will do both ways. Let's start.
Sir,
This is how much percentage of total he is asking about. So I was discussing that this is as a percentage of 150. So it means 150 I will deal as a full amount. 150 as a full amount. And as said before, what is the whenever I need a full amount, so in front of $150, I will put 100. And I want to know that this money is equal to how much percentage? Cross multiply, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, and I'm finding direct answer. Okay, I will do two techniques, students. Wait a minute, please. Wait a minute. I show you two techniques. So answer is coming 328.67 into 100 divided by 150. And what is the percentage I'm finding for you? 328.67 into 100 and divided by 150. It is coming 219 percentage. 219%. Okay. So some students can ask, how is crossing 100? It is possible to cross 100. Second technique, if you want to know, he said that this as a percentage of this. So what is that? Before as whatever comes, keep in numerator, and after as whatever come, keep in denominator and times 200. The rule. And if we check it, you get a same answer, 219%. So I hope so. I give idea. Some student ask me, sir, how the percentage cross the 100? For example, your pocket money is now 50 riyal, Saudi riyal 50, for example, and your pocket money become 100 riyal immediately, or make it not 150, let's say 150 riyal. Okay, so let's see that how much change you got it. This is original. This is original. Okay, I'm writing here dollar or Saudi riyal and percentage. Your original money was 50. It's called 100. And how much difference? Please check it. The 100 Saudi riyal increased. If I add 100 here and cross multiply, so let's see. 100 into 100 divided by 50. Look, you got a 200% increase. You got how much increase? Percent increase? 200%. So it means for example, 50 and now become 150. So common sense, 50 if become 100. 50 if become 100 is called 100% increase. But if it become 150, it's called 200% increase. I hope so. The concept is much clear and the question is completely finished. Yes, student, you have to try this question now. It is in June. It came in a June 2010 43 variant question number 1, and it also contains simple and compound. But I think so this question is a bit easy, but last part maybe some trick is there. So all of you please try this question, and I'm waiting for your solutions. Then I will do my. Yes, student, I hope so. You have finished and now you can check your answer. Let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, D has 8 years old and E has 12 years old. Okay, fine. That what a question is saying that write the ratios of their ages or in simplest form. So what I will do, I will 8 write here and 12 right here. Look, 8 come from here and 12 come from here. Then both are divisible by 4. So I got 4 twos and 4 threes. This is my final answer. So I believe it is very clear. Now part number 1 is done here. This is AI part. Now let's go for A2 part. D received $30. Interesting part here. The D part, this A part 2 I'm doing now. A part, this A part I, this A part 2. So let's start. He said D received how much money? $30. Okay. So and show that E's received this much money. So what is technique here? This is called ratio topic. So I will write two titles, dollar sign and ratio sign, ratio in dollars. Okay. D, how much money received? $30. And his ratio of D is what ratio? Is 2. You use 8, you use 2. No issue at all. Like before simplifying, the age ratio or the simple ratio. I think simple ratio is best to use. Okay. So 30 and 2, put them equals to each other. $30 and 2. Now I want to find for E person, the Edwards. So E, I'm writing E for Edward, and Edward's age is 3 ratio. So I'll write here 3. Simple cross multiply. And if I multiply there, so E is what? 2 times 2E equal 30 times 2, 3. 2 divides there. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, $45 comes. So proved. So this is done. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Let's go for part number next. Part number next, what is asking for? Part number B is not a hard job, easy. I'm doing on the top, space issue, so I'm doing on the top. B is what? D, invest is $30 for 3% compound interest. Okay, I'm writing all data. Data means investment $30, rate of interest is 3, and time for 2 years. 2 years. And I have to go for 2 DP because I said currency always 2 decimal places. So let's start. A is equals to P times to 1 plus R over 100 to power T. So P is investment $30, rate of interest is 3, and for 2 years means like that. So I'm just simply type in calculator 1 plus 3 divided by 100, and the power is 2. And answer 0.827x. 2 DP. I don't want. This number is bigger than 4, so add a 1 number. So add means 83. So it is a very clear approach. I will add right 83 here. So 83. So I hope so clear. Dollars. Okay, this is done. And now let's go for the part C. C is interesting here. You know why C is important here? Let's start. What's the logic? Why is this part is very important? I'm doing on the top. This is a C part. You know, what a question. Let's start reading. E invest $30. So I'm writing that. So what is the P investment is 30. E invest is money for R rate of interest. So rate of interest, how much R? Okay. Simple interest. Okay. And after 5 years, so time is 5 years. And he has total money. It means A is actually 32.25. And I have seen some student, they plug in, they took this as an I. Wrong. This is not a profit, for your knowledge. Did he say earns? Earns is called profit, but this is called total amount. It means total amount means his money plus interest. So if I ask you how to find formula, what is formula? So it's very clear. A is equal to P plus I. If I bring P on the other end, so A minus P equals to I. So I is how much? I is equal to 32.25 minus 30. So 2.25 is a profit. Make sure. Now I will use this formula, this value there. So I'm writing on the top, I is equals to P RT by 100. So 2.25 copy. Some student, they kept value 32 point something here. This is wrong. Don't use there. So 2.25. Okay, I'm writing it below. 2.25. The principal is 30. Rate of interest is R. I don't know. Time is 5 years and 100. So let's find it. So I save my time, 0 cancel. Okay, anyway, 2.25 times to 10 divided by 15. So I got 1.5%. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So I believe the concept is totally clear. And Alhamdulillah, concept is of the topic is much clear. And I think so now, this is my last lecture on this concept. For the further references, in my YouTube channel, there are many questions available of this worksheet. Same worksheet, I have done it. So you can watch those and have a good practice. I think so.